In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Monzo abroad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Monzo card and you are going to be traveling abroad, you might be curious to know on how the exchange rate works and if it is going to work on a foreign country. The good answer is that there is no difference from using it at your own home country. In fact, Monzo has built a strong reputation for being a travel-friendly bank. They offer cards that have no hidden fees and offer competitive exchange rates. They are never going to upcharge you, so it is extremely simple to use it abroad. Like I said, it's the same as using it at home. So all that you have to do is while traveling abroad, you can use your card contactlessly in store. So you place your card on a card reader or enter the PIN and the payment will go through without any issues. As long as the PIN is correct and it isn't suspicious activity, you will be able to use your card. It is going to appear on your feed. So if you go over to the home page, you check your card and you look at your transactions for today and other dates, it is going to appear right here. The exchange will be done automatically, so you never have to worry about choosing the right currency while traveling. They do everything on their end, and you should always try to choose to use their local currency if you get the offer to, because the exchange rates will be better. Most of their cards will have this feature enabled by default, but you are unsure, you can call the bank to make sure that your card has foreign transactions enabled. A major benefit of Monzo is that they generally don't charge fees for card payments abroad. You will get the master charge exchange rate, which, like I said, is typically very competitive. And the app will provide instant notifications when you spend, showing the transaction in both the local currency and GBP, along with the real-time exchange rate. This will keep track of your expenses so you never have to worry. And Monzo allows for ATM withdrawals. There might be some limits, so keep everything in mind. So always talk to your bank first, but in general, you don't have to do anything to set it up. It is enabled by default and you are already good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Monzo abroad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.